What is the title of your book?
The title of my book is Stork Diaries: Tale from a Not So Talented Pop Star.
Who's the author of that book?
The author of my book is Rachel Renee Ross.
What are your goals as a reader?
My goals as a reader are trying to understand the book and use context clues and write interesting part down on sticky note.
Okay. How do you figure out a word you don't know by using context clues?
So I don't understand what does shallow mean, and then I use context clues that the water is really shallow when Nikki said, because she said the water is shallow and she are not afraid of her sister drowning. So I think the water shallow means the water is safe and not deep.
What are your favorite parts of the book and why?
My favorite part of the book are when Nikki and her sister dance in the cheesy restaurant and sing the crazy cheesy song and got caught by her frenemy.
What writing techniques have you noticed the author using?
I noticed that the author is using dialogue when people is talking.
Okay, so what would be different if the author didn't use dialogue?
The book will not be more interesting. What book are you reading?
I am reading Small Steps by Louise Saka.
What is the author?
The author is Louise Saka.
Well, who is your favorite character from the book that you are reading?
My favorite character is X-Ray because he thinks about what's best for them and what's best to sell the tickets, and he's smart.
So if X-Ray don't sell the ticket and don't get host, what will happen? What if X-Ray don't sell the ticket?
Actually, it was actually Armpit's idea to sell the ticket, and X-Ray is just helping him to get profit for him and to get money to go to school again.
What writing technique do the author use in your book?
The author used a lot of dialogues, and he used interesting words.
What what are your favorite part and why?
My favorite part of the book is when Kara invited them into her room, whatever, and they talked about each other and how she's gonna perform the show that day.
Show me how you figure out a word you didn't know by using context clues and other strategies.
I figured out a word by finding that word out and predicting what that word means. I also use clues, like if about jerks, maybe it's like complaining about him, and then jerking around and joking or tricking them. Okay. What is your favorite character and why?
My favorite character is Mickey McGraw because she's writing on her diary and she's really funny.